good news, it is now 2010 and we are going to read 50 books this year. Well, together we're going to read about 100, except that we'll probably have some overlapping, so probably won't be quite 100. And we probably, well, I don't know about you, but I probably won't even read 50, but we'll see. And I figured that even though it is now the 8th, I think, and I have read 3.5, almost 4 books, I'd start with book number 1 that I read, so that I don't just skip over and not come back to it, because then I'll forget all about it, which would be sad because the first book that I read was Perfect Chemistry by Simone Elkeles. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm going to say it. And I got this book from Monica for Christmas, and she goes, "Marissa, you're going to love this book. It's so hot." And I read it, and it's so hot. But not too hot that it makes you feel like puking. But it's about this girl who is, you know, perfect, and she has this perfect life, and everybody's like, "Oh, you're so perfect," but deep down she's got, like, problems with her family and with her friends and her boyfriend who's not so perfect and stuff like that. And then this Mexicano boy who comes from the other side of town, which is like the bad side of town, and they get stuck together as chem partners, and he makes a bet with his friends that he can get her to sleep with him by Thanksgiving. So it's all about how he makes a bet, and then, you know, they fall in love and stuff, and it's really good. And I think you should definitely read it this year, or else you're going to be missing out on a lot of goodness and a lot of kissing, and I like reading about kissing because it makes me happy. But that's it. Perfect Chemistry, Simone Elkeles. Read it. This is them. This is Alejandro and Brittany. Alright, I just saw you, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.